Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix in-app purchases are not allowed on iPhone in iOS 16.2. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. In-app purchases set allow. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap screen time. Scroll down, tap content and privacy restriction. Turn on content and privacy restriction. Tap iTunes and App Store purchases. Tap in-app purchases. Select allow. Solution number 2. Reset all setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap General. On the General page, scroll down. Tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all setting. Enter your passcode. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 3. Turn off screen time. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap screen time. Scroll down, turn off screen time. Screen time will no longer be reported and all limits, downtime setting, content and privacy restriction and communication setting will be turned off. Again turn off screen time. Thanks for watching this video.